Oh God. So today I'm gonna continue what I was talking about last time. Today we've already learned last time we already learned about numbers. So this time we're gonna learning how to count their square area. So those are no square areas like the square area. First we don't know how to write the square area. So this is we have centimeters, meters, kilometers. But squared, you get kilometer squared, miles squared, kilometer squared. Now, what that away. So last time we learned how to calculate the square area of a square. Now let's go for other shapes. Most second common one, we've got the triangle. Usually these two corners are equal, but because of my terrible art, do not mind it. I draw humans, not shapes. So usually you just take this, multiply it with this. All right. Let's say this then is equals 57 centimeters, and this one is 20 centimeters. Just note that the shorter area has always had to be shorter than the long area. So we have 20 and 57 centimeters. Oh, and also make sure that's in the same number type, same distance type, or else you can't calculate it. So you have 57, 20. So calculate this, and you'll get 1,140 centimeters squared. All right, squared, no squared, that's wrong. So now let's move on to the triangle. The triangle is, pretty special because it's one of the only shapes that have variants. Yes, there's square triangle. Oh, that's a square. That's a square triangle. Obtuse triangle. Many types of triangles, but for the sake of simplicity, we'll focus on only the square triangle, because of course, I don't have much time. Right? So you calculate the length of one side. Usually, it's let's say 5 meters. All right, little big triangle. So now we have this. We take that and multiply it by 3. Actually, no. We take that and then add it with itself 3 times. Or you could just write this. Alternative is it's your choice. You can write either which way you want. It's not me who has control you, right? So now we're going to learn how to calculate the square area of a circle. A circle is much more complex, right? Center of the circle, pi, 14, But we're here to calculate the square area of the circle, not, its center. So first you need to make a little line. Name it O, and it's, let's say, 5 meters long. And because it's an equal circle, then it's also 5 meters long here. So you take 5 and multiply it by itself, and you get the square area of a circle. So now, a little bit thing different, all right? Instead of a circle, how about this? How about an oval? Say this equals 10 meters. This is 2 meters. Calculated. It's the same as a circle. E equals 20. So, because I have some spare time left, I'm going to tell you how to calculate 3-dimensional shapes. Yes, there's 3-dimensional shapes. This is how to draw one, right? This is how to draw one. Looks kind of weird here, but okay. You need to know. You need to know, right? So, because it's a square, it looks like an absolute a freaking rectangle. Well, all of it has a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares. All right, 6 squares means that, let's say the square area of one square is 6 meters, 6 meters squared. So a 3D cube would be 6 times 6, because if one square equals 6 meters, 6 meters squared, then the whole cube would be that times 6. You get 36 squared. So yeah, with those 6 minutes, you have just learned how to calculate square areas. Goodbye.